Buongiorno, Edge 9 è all'ISE 2025 a Barcellona e incontriamo il COO di Logitech Mondo. So this is a very interesting event. It's very focused, it's about business, it's about technology. So I'd like to start in asking you, why is Logitech here, and how important is this event for you?
Yeah, really happy to be here at ISE Barcelona. This is probably our biggest show of the year, and it's always great to be in Barcelona. It's an amazing city. We are focused on solutions that help workplace experience, and we focus on all people in all spaces. And as you think about this, all people in all spaces, you know Logitech does meeting rooms, desks, and everything in between. And this is a great place for us to be talking to our customers, channel partners, the community. And so that's why we're here, to also announce some new products too.
And we will talk about those just in a little while. Actually, one of the things that is happening is that a lot of companies are bringing their employees back into the office. They want them there 5 days a week, some maybe less, but it's a trend.
Yeah.
But actually what it's showing is that now employees are used to technology, are used to hybrid meetings, are used to having different ways to interact with technology. So almost counterintuitively, this shift back to the office is actually giving more relevance to your product. Do you agree? And how are your products evolving to meet those needs?
Absolutely agree. I think we have seen this real shift, as you said, on COVID, which we'd always before that seen this need for better quality of audio, better video everywhere. And COVID really brought that forward, like just accelerated it, right? So if you look at any Zoom, Microsoft Teams, more meetings, more minutes with video, because you want to have that interaction. And as teams are global and as companies are in different geographies, this has really helped them connect and build that community. So at Logitech, we are focused on helping people see better, hear better, and engage better. And if you think about that, when in the context of these spaces, when people came back to some of the offices after COVID, now we're really seeing return to office expand in a big way in some markets. But equally at the same time, work and life and the boundary between work and life is also changing. So Logitech's focus on, if you start at home, you're on the go in a coffee shop, you're in a meeting room, or outside a meeting room in an office, like how can we actually really equip that? And so that is why we announced many products this last couple of weeks, and we're showcasing some of that at ISE. But we think we have a portfolio that will help large companies, small companies, help their employees connect better, see better, hear better. Like that's what we're focused on.
And one of the other major trends which we cannot miss right now is artificial intelligence. You've been incorporating different kinds of that technology in your products for a little while. But I'm very curious to hear, what do you think is its role, and what, on the other side, is Logitech's role in the artificial intelligence ecosystem?
Yeah, no, great question. I think AI is one of the most transformative things that's happening to all of us. And if you really think about AI, I'd say there are three things. There's inputs to AI, then there are some models, large models, small models, that process that information and generates pretty good output. And within those models, there is reasoning that's getting better and better and better. What we do is generate great input, audio input, video input, and things that you can actually see and engage, keyboards, etc. And our role here is firstly to provide amazing input so that the models of the future can actually work better. The second thing we are doing is actually bringing some of those models to the edge. So we're bringing that kind of capability to everything from a headset to video cameras. And we announced a few things on AI, and you have some of those in this room here, where you can actually see the person better. So creating that immersive experience, almost like you're there. And we call this like creating a digital cocoon. So you can only see the audio, only see the video that you want to see, really be distraction-free, and especially for the remote participant to really understand who's in the room, etc. So that edge model, connecting to the cloud and generating better inputs, those are really the two big things we are focused on: how to improve the edge models, how to make inputs more higher quality inputs for human interaction.
Perfect. And I'd like to wrap it up with the latest products you have launched on the market. There is a very interesting board outside of this room. So if you can highlight a couple of those products, and especially the board, which is, I think, is amazing.
Yeah, we have announced, like, I'll say, many things in the last couple of weeks. Rally Board 65 is our latest launch that we had. It's a board that not only can you look at it from the top down, but you can actually flip it and look at it from the bottom. And it has this digital cocoon feature, which is using Edge AI. And it's a whiteboard, so you can actually write on it and annotate. So you could do quite a lot of things. And it is super simple to install. It's very smart, and it's also built sustainably. So this is what our goal is: to build simple, smart, sustainable solutions. We also launched Logitech Spark, which is right here, which is an environmental sensor that helps you understand the environment that you're in: CO2, temperature, humidity, but also energy use. And as you think about buildings, how do you make the buildings more energy efficient? How do you make the people in the rooms actually better? So we're super happy to announce this. You can connect through our cloud infrastructure and actually understand analytics, number of people in a room. We also announced daisy chaining of Logitech Sight. Logitech Sight won last year's Times Invention of the Year award. And what we did was take one Rally bar, one video camera in the front of the room, connected it to Logitech Sight before. Now we connected it to two Logitech Sights, and we call this daisy chaining. So you have 6 cameras that are connected together, making sure that you frame each person as best as you can. All are done through AI automatically, almost like bringing a little bit of Hollywood and a little bit of Silicon Valley to every meeting room.
I really like that. Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure meeting you and talking to you.
Thank you very much.